Emails these days is a very common means of communication, especially in the offices and also other institutions like universities and other schools and colleges. Emails are actually very useful these days, and they are a substitution for memos. In the olden days, a memo was sent to all the staff to know about something which is going to happen or something that has happened, or any other order by the higher authorities was sent to everyone by a memo. So basically these days emails are serving the purpose of a memo. The students need to know that emails which are sent to people who are higher in position and age, and they are also holding a serious office position, the emails written to these people need to be formal. But many emails are to be written informally, especially when a chain of communication is being built between two people or more than two people in a group. Then sometimes in an informal email, there is no need to address the person as well. Just like you can just send a message and that is it, just as you are doing it on your telephone. So the students need to know that the difference in the two types of writing, the informal writing of emails, is that a chain can be continued of communication as it is being continued in a conversation, as if people are sitting together and talking. But the difference is that this email is being sent many miles away. Somebody being in Pakistan can be having a chat or an email sent to somebody in America, and then this thread can continue informally. So this thread, which is being written in informal language about something, about a plan being discussed, or about an event being told, or by anything that is going to happen or has happened or will happen, is being discussed by sending each other emails. That writing has to be totally informal. Whereas a formal email or a formal writing in an email would be holding the facts and the exact requirement for what the email is being sent for. So the difference is that this formal writing is not really a part of the spoken language. But on the other hand, the informal writing used in an informal email is actually like responding to another's conversation, the conversation we are having with another person or another group, and we are just responding in a manner of talking to that person. So there can be just one line email or maybe more than one line email, but that has to be just in informal way of writing. The advantages of emailing people in informal writing is that you can just give a reply instantly. You don't have to really look for words. You don't have to really look for vocabulary. And it has also become a practice that people sometimes, when do not find a word for English, they just use a word from their mother tongue and just put it there, considering that the other person who is getting the mail also understands the same words. There's no problem. It's all informal. So the informal writing is actually giving rise to a variety of language, including some words from the mother tongue. Whereas in the formal writing, one cannot take the risk of including other languages. So this type of an understanding has to be built amongst the students to understand how the emails which are being sent in informal writing styles are advantages, and how the emails which are being sent in the formal style of writing have those advantages which the others don't have. So basically, they have to identify and compare the difference between the two. And of course, it's going to be at a higher level or secondary level students.